when that happens, you really need to find time and space to be with yourself alone. I'm not saying you have to break up the relationship, but you do need to find a space and a time for you to be alone with yourself, with yourself. So it's crucial for you to spend time on your own, for yourself, by yourself. And if you have any idea of what you're attracted to in tendencies, in likes, in maybe an activity, or maybe, okay, I just like nature, just go and spend time in nature. If I like reading, just go and read. If you just meditating, going into nature, just doing practice of meditation, spiritual practices, all these things would bring you into yourself, bring you into your heart, bring you into your body. So all those practices are bringing you into yourself. And then it's a constant knowingness and learning of, okay, who I am, what I like. What I like is a very basic place to start. What do I like? And then when you ask those questions, all